Well, today I arrived home and I found this waiting for me, and I'm so happy. I will be totally sharing with you what I got. Let's open together, but I know what I will do. I will try to surprise myself. Let's see, is this in the right way? Oh, was upside down. Let's do just opening without look, and I don't want to look. I'm just put my hand. Oh, it has the paper. Okay, I know I'm breaking the paper, and let's find the small things first. What do I have? What do I have here? This is a magazine and it's an Among the Stars. Black and white. Do you think that is black and white? I don't know. I will not see this until we finish. Next. I feel Star Mix. I think this is like gummies. Oh, and it has shapes. I'm not sure what shapes, but I will be looking back. Okay, Haribo, Haribo Star Mix, fruit juice. Yum. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm trying to find everything that, oh, what I see is it's a washi tape. It has stars. That's interesting. Washi tape. What else? And I have a small fabric that I can feel here. Oh, look at this, like planets and interesting. What can I do with this one? I love planets and stars and everything. The color is cute. And let me see how big is the width. Oh, the width is okay. Yeah, it can be for a blouse, or we will see, or maybe a pillowcase. This feels totally like cotton. That's the feeling. Okay, let's see what else. I feel black. Black. Let's see what is it. Do I have anything else before I take the... Oh, I feel black and white. Oh, bottoms. In black, and in the other side has like a little white or beige. Yeah, three, how many? 3, 6. Yeah, 6 of them. And fabric. Oh, it feels so nice. I don't know if you can see that. What kind of fabric is this? Let me see. Let me see if I can guess. Can it be a double gore? I think it's a double gore. I don't know. I better double check. And .5 meters of Dobby spot cotton. Okay, it's a cotton, 100% cotton, and it's a 53 inches of width. Then I got this one that is a poly cotton, 80% polyester, 20% cotton, and it's a 44 inch of width. I got the Gutermann thread. I got the washi tape by Nutmeg. That washi tape. I got the 2 holes bottoms, a magazine, and the Haribo Star Mix. And let's see, the magazine has the introduction. This is 8 years of Sewhaley Jane. Wow. And showing some pictures of Sewhaley Jane through the years. Oh, she's pregnant there with the bags and everything. So nice. Congratulations, Sewhaley Jane. Oh, nice. Then, oh, options. Gorgeous gift that you can do with maybe like giving ideas for this fabric. And you have like a Christmas stocking, reading cushion. That's what I was thinking. Then you have the fanny pack, Halloween treat bags, double cool pencil case. Here you have somebody with the make of the month. Somebody, her name is, so I don't know, I don't see the name, but it's a nice dress. We saw this fabric, came like 2 months ago. An option for the fabric, and it's a three makes, so she makes a pencil case. Gemma, I'm guessing this is is this a fabric? Is this one? I don't know. Yeah, this is the fabric. It looks a little different, but it's a nice dress. And then you have Laura with another option of dress. I think everybody got a black dress, a black fabric this month. And then more interviews, Maker's Gallery, what people has done with every, oh, this person did like 2 shorts with one of those. I will be doing a blouse, I think. A short is a good idea, but I don't think I have enough for a short for myself. Very cute. So, and here is what it tells you. Oh, more here. Here tells you what every box got. This is the mini box. Then this is the luxury box, and the luxury box, the difference is like you get 3.5 meters of a different fabric, and also you get pattern with that. Everything else is the same. Anyway, this was my Sewhaley Jane. I like this. I am not sure what I will do, and I think this will be a nice pillowcase. I got candy that I will be eating while I'm reading my book. I got buttons and a washi tape. You know I love washi tape, so perfect. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.